Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 15, 2018. This is going to be a very quick video. I got a lot of things to do for the organization and the business. So I just thought I'd come in and give you all a quick update of some of the things that we're noticing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. So this is the daily price chart for Bitcoin. You can see this currency is up 4.85%. Last trade was $6,376. Quick look at the daily price chart for Bitcoin. You can see that this currency was able to come all the way up to $6,600. Even though we were expecting market to move higher, we was not expecting it to move as high as it did today. But nevertheless, you can still see that indications of some weakness is still coming into the market. Quick look at the 3-hour chart for Bitcoin. You can definitely see weakness is still coming in, and that's because $6,600 is resistance. So if Bitcoin cannot stay above $6,400, $6,500 to end out today's trading, then consider the market still within consolidation, and we can come all the way back down towards 6,300, 6,200, even a little lower than that, depending on how much volume come into the space. So definitely we are seeing some consolidation long term going on in Bitcoin. This is the 1-hour chart, and that last 1-hour bar definitely tells us that weakness is in the play. Looking for Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside. Now it might not move that low, okay, so just be cautious. 63.20, 62.80 are definitely areas that I can see Bitcoin trying to hold support, but given the width of that last 1-hour bar, it is likely that it can break those two prices that I just given you. So short term, look for Bitcoin to move to the downside, only to catch support. It might come all the way down to 6,200, and then from there possibly move back up to higher prices. But again, the long-term time frame definitely shows us that we are in the consolidation period in Bitcoin. So now the last one is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is up 9.63%. Last trade was $286.27. Daily price chart for Ethereum definitely shows you some stockpile coming into the market. We were looking for Ethereum to continue to move to the upside, albeit we was not expecting it to move up there towards $300. But nevertheless, you can still see indications of this currency moving higher, in which we forecast it to occur. $280 cannot be broken in order for Ethereum to continue to maintain its interest in higher prices. As of right now, definitely looks as if that's going to break. $280 is going to break, and Ethereum might come back down to around 270, especially if this 3-hour bar concludes the way that it looks now. Taking a look at the 1-hour bar, we actually broke $290. That was a huge area of support that this currency could not break. Well, since it broke it, I'm still looking for Ethereum to move to the downside, at least try to hold support around 280. Now that's the last area of support. If the market for Ethereum breaks 280, then we're going to come all the way back down to at least 270. So just keep that in mind. My analysis in the short term is for Ethereum to continue to move to the downside, catch support around 280, maybe 270, and then move higher from there. But again, the overall market conditions is weak, so we can break both of those prices and move a lot lower than that long term. That's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.